Welcome back to the channel. It's me, Eric. If you're new, please subscribe. As you guys could probably tell by the thumbnail, I've got some new wheels for this Evo 9. My buddy Nick over at Moto House, sorry if I butchered that, and Auto R&D was able to get me hooked up with these wheels. I went with Titan 7 forged wheel TR10. This is an 18 by 10.5 plus 22 spec. These weigh 19.5 pounds, as you'd expect, pretty lightweight for a forged wheel. I went with a wider wheel because I'm definitely going to need more grip. And these are going to be wrapped in, of course, the Falken RT660s in a 275/35/18. Shout out to Falken for sponsoring my car again. Appreciate it and much love. Definitely can't wait to get these on the car and test for next season. I kind of want to push the boundaries as far as how wide I can go with the tire without stressing out my axles. So hopefully these 275s will give me more grip. Thank you once again, Nick, for getting these to me super quick. I think they shipped within a day. The company Titan 7, of course, is located over in California. These would be like the equivalent of a C28, something along those lines, but no JDM wait time. I didn't want to wait 6 to 8 months on this thing to get these because I need to get them on the car, make sure they're the right spec, and get some testing done with them before a track day next year. Let's head over and get these wheels and tires mounted and balanced. Ooh, that's some serious meat on there. Probably gonna have to raise up the car just a little bit for right now, because I know that's gonna rub at some point. But oh, a little poke, poke, poke. Holy cow, that is way too aggressive. Holy cow. Ooh. So yeah, it's pretty wide now, but the wheels themselves look really, really good. I like the black with the bitter yellow. I think it's a good combo. Alright, so I already know that I gotta raise the rear on the car because it's definitely gonna rub. But the true test will be to take the car out and drive it around and see, full lock if I have any issues with it rubbing, and also just on bumps and whatnot. I have a feeling that I'm going to have to do some trimming, but won't know until we drive it. after doing a little driving, like I said, this is gonna need some trimming. The wheel tends to want to rub on the side skirt, so I think I'm gonna have to trim that a little bit to clear it. I'm gonna have to trim the side skirt, but also this tab, it kind of touches it as well. So this, I still have OEM fender liner in here, or what's left of it, and it touches it as well, so it's gonna have to go. Well, the next logical step would be to go wide body on this, so I guess that's what we're gonna do. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you enjoyed it, smash that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Stay tuned, guys. Till next time.